Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check Mac OS version and whether you'll pair over Bluetooth or use a USB receiver. Put the keyboard in pairing mode or plug the receiver into an available USB port. If it's a full-size wired keyboard, connect immediately. Enter your Mac admin password when prompted to allow changes. Once done, open System Settings and locate Bluetooth or keyboard preferences so you're ready for the next configuration steps. Now you'll map keys so the Windows layout makes sense on Mac OS. Open keyboard settings and swap Option and Command if you prefer the Mac order. If you need advanced remapping, install Carabiner Elements and add simple modifications for Control, Alt, and Win keys. Test in Text Edit and adjust for dead keys or international characters. Once the layout matches your muscle memory, save the profile. Make sure to enable the remapping utility at login so changes persist. Finish by tailoring shortcuts. Open Shortcuts or System Settings to assign app-specific hotkeys so your workflow is smooth. Verify battery level for wireless keyboards and ensure no input source conflicts are active. If keys act oddly, toggle the input source off and on. If connectivity or mapping fails, restart Bluetooth, reconnect the keyboard, or rerun the pairing process. One key troubleshooting tip: if it still misbehaves, reset the keyboard settings or remove, and re-add the device to clear cached mapping errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.